Hello my dear students, in this video we will discuss effects of industrial revolution. Students, in the previous video we have discussed the phases of the industrial revolution, that there were two phases mainly of industrial revolution, and in the previous phase England was the leading country, while in the later phase Germany and USA were the leading country. After that we have discussed that why industrial revolution firstly came in Britain only. Now we discuss what was the impact of industrial revolution on Britain. So one of the main effect of the industrial revolution was that it and the cottage industry. Cottage industry beta were the small scale industries in which the work was done by the hand. So the first effect was the end of the cottage industry. Second, development of new industrial town. After the coming of the industrial revolution, some towns developed where these industries were set up, and they were known as the industrial town, like the city of Manchester, where mainly the cotton industries were there, Lancashire and Birmingham. These were the industrial town of Britain. Manchester, Lancashire and Birmingham. Then exploitation of women and children. Why there was exploitation of women and children after the coming of the industrial revolution? Because in the industries the women and the children were made to work for a longer hours. Means they were having a long working hours, and they were also underpaid as compared to that of the man. That's why there was the exploitation of the man and the children. Increase in national income. This was the positive impact. Students, some were the positive impacts of the industrial revolution, while some were the negative impact. Like end of the cottage industry was the negative impact. Development of the new industrial town, positive impact of the industrial revolution. Exploitation of women and children, negative one. Then increase of the national income of England, the positive impact. Appearance of new class. Two new classes now emerged in England. Earlier you have seen that in European society there were mainly three classes. First, second and third, which consist of the clergy class, nobility and the middle class. But now there is an appearance of one new class, that is the class of capitalists and the workers. Capitalists were the industrial owners, while workers were the one who work in the industry. So this was the one of the, this is the neutral effect. Positive or negative, there is nothing positive or negative in this. And by the coming of the industrial revolution, the living standard of the people raised in England, because of the increase of the national income. After this, the population also increased. Why the population increased? Because the people take various nutritious diseases. Because of the increase of the national income, the individual income of the people also increased. And by the increase of the individual income, now they had the money to take the nutritious diet, which raise up their expectable ages. Apart from that, new medicines were also discovered at this time, and there was a checkup available for the various diseases, which led to the longer years of living, and this led to the increase of the population of England. And last impact was that of the growth in the agriculture. Now the agriculture production also increased. Why it increased? Because after the coming of the industrial revolution, there were many inventions which were made in the field of agriculture, like new machineries were made. There was the invention of the new machineries, and farmer now could be able to do the agricultural activity like sowing, reaping and harvesting through the machine, with the help of machine. Now also you see there is a combine which is used for doing the threshing and all other agricultural activity. So with the coming of the new inventions in the field of the agriculture, there was a growth in the agricultural production. But this also had, this is the positive impact, but this also had another negative impact. What was the negative impact? Although the production doubled by the increase of the agriculture production, but the coming of the new machines in the field of agriculture led to the large scale unemployment. So this is the negative impact of the Industrial Revolution. So student, all these are the impacts of the Industrial Revolution which were observed at that time in England. Now beta, we discuss one more topic, that is the Agricultural Revolution in England. In the 18th century, one more revolution came. This revolution came near to or somewhat before the Industrial Revolution or near to it. This is the Agricultural Revolution. Agricultural Revolution led to the increased production in the field of agriculture. And why this Agricultural Revolution came in England? It came with the coming of the enclosure movement. What is better this enclosure movement? What was there in England? When there was a unified government, how the unified government means there was a rule of a stable monarchy. One monarch was there and the stability was there in governance. Then the nobles at that time, they appealed to the monarch that for the increasing of the production, they need a large, they acquire a large land. While what was there, they were having a pieces of land in a scattered way. One plot here, one at another place, one at some other place. And in this scattered plot, they can't be able to did the production, did a lot of production with the help of machine. Because after the coming of the new machineries in agriculture, now they want a plot of a land, a large plot of a land at one place. So beta, what happened? That's why they appealed to the monarch for this. And then the monarch passed a law which was known as the enclosure movement. According to the enclosure movement, the big farmer at a place had the right to acquire the small plots near to it. When it acquired the small plots, obviously the small farmers became unemployed. And these small farmers then goes to the, after taking the money for their plot, they goes to the new industrial town for the, as a worker to did the work over there. And what the big farmers did, they acquired the small plot. Now they had a big land for themselves where they can use the new machineries in the field of agriculture, and through that they have a large production. So it came with the process of how the agricultural revolution came in England. It came with the process of enclosure. An enclosure movement started from 1770s. According to the enclosure movement, hundreds of small farms had been merged with the larger one of a powerful lot. As I told you, if a lot is having a big field here and near to it there are small fields, then it acquired these small field also. Why it is called enclosure movement? Because they fenced the area, enclosed it. That's why the movement is given a name of an enclosure movement. And this was made through the law. A law was passed related to this which legalized it. Okay. So the small farms has been merged with the larger farms of the powerful landlord, creating very large estate and increase obviously the food production. But what was the negative impact of this? This forced the landless farmer to search for job elsewhere. And where they go, as I told you, they go to the nearby town, to the industrial town, where they work as a worker. So student, this is all about the effect of the Industrial Revolution in England and what happened after the coming of the enclosure movement. What was enclosure movement and why it came. Okay, thank you.